can see my people him start turn. Yeah, you know. Alright, people, so this is the lobster here right here. So. Alright, welcome back to another video, viewers and subscribers. If you don't know, you're watching Farm in Rasta. Yeah, man. And today we're in a farm with a one lobster. Yeah, see him look. Alright, people, so you see the lobster here right here, so we call it the spiny lobster. You mostly find them lobster here in the you know, like the Caribbean Ocean. Yeah, for instance, Jamaica. Yeah, man. So today what me I gonna do with the lobster here in a farm, as you can see, be a banana and plant. Yeah, man. So today what me I gonna do with the lobster here, me I gonna roast him. Yeah, rosemary style, roast lobster. Yeah, man. So that me I gonna do today. See right here, so me have some bird pepper, some coconut oil, and some natural season. Well, people, this here so is pimento and salt. Yeah, so we're gonna do your thing now and get it started right away, because you don't know lunchtime and we're hungry, is it? So yeah, man, rosemary roast lobster to them people. So you can check it out. So my spiny lobster here. So what me I gonna do right away, I just bust him right here, so viewers and subscribers, right down the middle, and put him on the fire right over here. So my fire burned here, so you don't know, farm style, farm in Rasta. Yeah, man. So I go right ahead and bust my lobster in two and show how I do it. Rosemary roast lobster. Some rosemary tree over there, so I go use natural season. Yeah, man. Alright, watch how I do it now, my people. So bust a line in him, straight line come down like that. Right? Yeah, man. I see you can go on, you know. Yes. Turn him over like this, my people. Yeah? So I show you how me do it. How me prepare my lobster. Well, I'm not really a lobster fan, people. But you know, sometimes we just try it. And I only eat lobster roast. I only can eat it roast. I can't eat it no other way. So yeah, man. Let me show you how I do it, my people. So first thing, I go wash it down here. So bust it in a middle. With a line come right through. Yeah. I caught this lobster this morning, Phoebe, when I went to the sea. You know, for all those who watch the channel regular, you may know that I am a fisherman. Yeah, and I travel the seas, the Caribbean seas. Yeah, man, catching fish. See, I have a little fish right there. I'm going to steam those one people. You know, I caught more than that, but sold them off. Yeah, so back to the lobster. So I'm reversing it, coming down right through the middle with it, as you can see. Yeah. One straight line like that. Right? Right through the middle. Then I'm going to open him out. Spiny lobster. Yeah, man. See there, my people? That's how it looks on the inside. You know? What I want to do, I'm going to get rid of those. These are the guts. So I'm going to lift out these, because I don't want these in here. I don't eat guts, my people. So don't know, have to clean out this. So as you can see, I went ahead and washed it out, washed out all the guts, and that's what I'm left. This is what I'm left with. Yeah, pure flesh, pure lobster flesh. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go right ahead and add my natural seasons to it, right? Get rid of some of this lobster water. Well, you don't know how outdoor style people, so you know, farm style, so quick and fast. Alright, people, so I'm gonna go right ahead and drop my salt and pimento in the middle. Yeah, and this season was made by Roast Job. Yeah, Roast Job made this season. What I have in it, I have dried rosemary, right? Dried pimento and of course turmeric powder. Yeah, so I'm gonna go right ahead and drop my pimento and salt and dried rosemary in between on the flesh. Yeah, that's how I do it, people. Yeah, man. So want to get it right through, so I know say it have a flavor, people. Yeah, man. There it is. And then I'm gonna add my bird peppers, right? There it is, right in the middle like this, right? Squeeze them, crush them. For all those who cannot find bird pepper, they don't know, you can use the good old scotch bonnet, you know, or whatever pepper you have. But yeah, basically lobster is always good, best to consume with pepper. Gives it more flavor as well. Yeah, rub in the bird pepper and it, my people. Yeah, I want to check out that one, my people. I wanna, yeah, roast lobster, roast rosemary lobster. Yeah, man, Jamaican style. I farming in Rasta style. Yeah, man, roast lobster. All of my bird pepper in a middle. All the seed them, all the seeds I want in it, people. Then I'm gonna go ahead, add some natural, simple natural coconut oil. Right? Yeah. This is what I use. No vegetable oil. Vegetable oil, not good for the soul. Destroy the soul. So you won't live long with that. Coconut oil will make you live longer and healthier. Less cholesterol. You don't know it, go, people. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go right there, get some rosemary. Bam. Here's the rosemary tree, people. Yeah, so this is the rosemary. Yeah, very good for a lot of basic benefits. Has a lot of vitamins. And, you know, give the body a lot of health benefits. So this is what's going to give my lobster the rosemary flavor. Yeah, man, so when they start roast now, people, nah go normal. I just get a few of it. Yeah, so this will flavor it up the real way. Rosemary tree, my people, so yeah, man. Go right ahead and drop them in it, people. And of course, I already washed them already. So this is this is how I'm doing it. Dropping the rosemary right in between the cut. So when they start roasting, all the flavor is just going to burst out in the lobster. Yeah, my people, quick and fast. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to drop some French thyme, a piece of French thyme as well in the middle. Here's my French thyme. Yeah, people, this is what you call French thyme. And I'm gonna go ahead, crush them and drop them in the middle as well to give it a little more flavor. Yeah, people, so here's how it look. Gonna go right ahead, close it up a little, right, and then drop him on the fire. Yeah, people, watch how we do it now. You know, man. Yeah, people, so yeah, man, drop him right on the middle there and let him go on slow roast. Just gonna let it go, let it slow roast over the heat. Yeah, and get the flavor. And I turn it this way first because I want, you know, the rosemary to flavor it up. So when I turn it around, you know it go. Yeah, people. Put him on a low flame. Don't really want any flame on that. I just want it to slow cook. Just like this, people. Them one spiny lobster. Roast rosemary lobster. Jamaican style. I'm gonna just push up the fire a little bit under it. Yeah, people. This is how I live. Rich food. Catch my own lobster. Just do my own thing. Yeah, man. So this is one of the cooking techniques I have, my people. I don't know. Quick and fast, nothing too big. You know? Really stress you out certain way. Quick and fast roasting. I'm gonna go ahead, break off the spine here. And this is why they call it spiny lobster, because of the spine. Yeah. So it's just gonna stay right here and slow roast. Yeah. So yeah man, just gonna leave him right here on the fire. And go and make him go and roast. So you know when it as me I go, you know, I don't know, I sure know how the process go. You see me? Meanwhile my go and roast. I go and keep on updated, make you see how it go. Alright? I'm just give him a little time now and just make him go and soak in. Yeah people, soak in. Yeah man, in the meantime, just brush off them fish here. No big nothing, but you know them can fry. Alright, as you can see my people, him start turn ready now. One side cook already, so me I do spin him, make the other side cook, right? There you go. Well roasted on that side already, so make it roast on the other side. See him look there? Almost ready for eat now. Yeah man. Just I make the rosemary go on, rosemary flavor go on, you know, disperse throughout it. I'm gonna make him go and soak some more. Hot. Whole lot of them people. Lobster style. Roast lobster style. Rosemary roast lobster, no? Yeah man. Ready already my people. See me? Nice white flesh. Yeah man. Nice white flesh. Yes man. Yes good. Well, my come on, almost done my people. So this look like I am my J, my people. Yeah. And me I got to now. I lift him up. See how the other side turn out. Turn out well nice people. Roast rosemary lobster this. Yeah man. Turn out so nice and looking so good. Looking so delicious. Here's the rosemary. See the rosemary there. People. Well infused with the lobster. Yeah man. Coconut oil, pimento, and bird pepper. Simple natural. Yeah man, that's how do we seafood my people. Yeah man, so deal with seafood. Lobster. So I go to know. I go lift him up. So you don't know. I'm ready. Natural style. Banana leaf. You know where it go. Because I in the farm with it. So I go right ahead and give him a taste test my people. So the rosemary here. Well infused with it. Now I go. When I lift him out. Give him a taste test, you know. There people, there's the white flesh. Very nice white flesh, you know. Yeah man, ready. So give him a taste test. Tell her it taste. You can already smell the rosemary in it. The rosemary fragrance. There's the rosemary. Yeah man, so you can know this will go nice. Yeah man. That's the white flesh, the white gold. Yeah man, so. I don't know, saying ready though people. Yeah man. Well done. Well done and very nice. You can taste the rosemary flavor. But go through it as always. Yeah man. And my recipe this roast lobster, the healthiest way to eat lobster, roast, right? Yeah man. So this is my little recipe. Simple and easy. Quick, simple and easy. When you have the lobster, yeah man. There's the white gold. Yeah man. Nice people. Yeah man. Well nice. I caught this lobster this morning in my fish pot. Yeah. Caught him this morning in my fish pot. And now he's going in my stomach. Yeah man. So yeah people, this is it. My roast rosemary lobster. Yeah man. This is my roast rosemary lobster. Normally I would have some bread with it. Or a roast plantain, but you know, I'm just having it by itself today. This is just lunch people. This is just lunch. Yeah man. Very nice. And very tasty. Yeah man, there's the white gold. White gold. White gold. Mm-hmm. Yeah, people, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, man, and click the notification bell to see more natural cooking like this. Yeah, man. And remember to leave a feedback, people. If you think I should do more cooking videos, you know, more outdoor cooking videos. Yeah, man, I like this one, people. Roast lobster, very nice. So much flesh in it. Yeah, man, this I got full milk. I'm just gonna get a coconut water with it. There's the rosemary, and she's very nice. Well done, well cooked. Yeah, man. Yeah, beautiful. This is it. We still have him on the grill. This is very nice, people. Very, very delicious. Very delicious. This is the best roast lobster I've ever had. You guys should try it. With the rosemary and the bird pepper and you know the pimento. The pimento also gives a nice flavor. Pimento gave it a very nice flavor. And finish it all of this flavor. Yeah, man. So you don't know, people. Remember, you can leave a feedback. If you think I should do more cooking videos, venture in more cooking videos. Come on, remember to leave a like, a comment, and people, remember, please, if you can click on the notification bell, you guys can get the videos whenever I upload them. Please do so. Yeah, man, I'm going to finish this amazing lobster, roast rosemary lobster. Yeah, I'm gonna just finish it. Yeah, there you go, my people. I'm gonna leave the video for here for today. We're done now. Thanks for watching and thanks for supporting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.